All right, video here about got a new windshield for the golf cart. The old windshield, the center seal or the hinge here had broke and cracked, and so the top piece wouldn't stay attached. I think this was like $90 on Amazon, maybe a little bit less. I got the tinted one. Took about 5 minutes to install. You just replace the new bolt, nut, washers, and this little rubber grommet, so the plastic windshield actually sits, the plastic of the windshield actually sits down in this groove. And then this black piece then just snaps around the actual frame of your golf cart. Top, just a little hinge. You just undo this. Undo this. And it hinges down. And then the groove sits in these rubber on here. Like I said, it took about 5 minutes and been needing that for a while. I'll put a link in the description below, but just off Amazon. Definitely worth it. Thanks. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.